Hello guys! This is Skylar from the Lufix Studio and welcome to the Logrido installation guide. In this video, I'll show you how to install Logrido on Windows. If you are a Mac user, the process is pretty much the same, so be sure to follow the process in the whole video. First, you'll need to download the Logrido content from our Gumroad page. The link is in the description below. After your purchase, you'll receive a .zip folder containing the Logrido extension. Once you've downloaded the .zip folder, go ahead and extract it to a location on your computer. Inside, you'll find the logrido.zxp file. Next, you'll need the zxp/uxp installer from ascripts.com. I've provided a link in the description below. Download and install the zxp/uxp installer on your computer. After installing, open the zxp/uxp installer. It will look something like this. Now, simply drag the logrido.zxp file from the extracted folder and drop it into the zxp/uxp installer. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. Once the installation is complete, open Adobe Illustrator. Navigate to Window, Extensions, and look for Logrido to find the installed extension. That's it. You've successfully installed Logrido on your Windows computer. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please join our Discord channel, link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more updates and tutorials.